In big breaking news, which is coming in after the Supreme Court granted bail to Bibhav Kumar in the Swati Maliwal assault case inside the Chief Minister's residence of Delhi. Swati Maliwal now has hit out at Sunita Kejriwal's post, which has a picture of Bibhav with the caption as Sukoon Bhara Din. In other words, a day full of relief. You can see that picture there on your screens. Bibhav Kumar is the one who has been highlighted. Let me go across to Ankit. Pragya is also joining us. Ankit, I'm going to come to you first. Very significant, that's visual. After all, Bibhav Kumar, when he was put in jail, when he was arrested, after which, of course, he managed to get bail. But at that time, the Aam Aadmi Party had called it vendetta politics. And today, Swati Maliwal has lashed out at him.
Well, also, Meghna, sorry to interrupt, I also wanted to point out that there is an emoji here as well by Sunita Kejriwal. I believe this is the emoji for a hug. So she says this is a day of peace and relief, and there is Kumar Bibhav. And it is to this that Swati Maliwal has responded, and I'm going to read out her the translated version of a post. The Chief Minister's wife, who was at home when I was being beaten up, is feeling very, very relieved, and she's also used the same emoji. I am relieved because the man who beat me and misbehaved with me in his house has been released on bail. This is a clear message to everyone. Beat up the woman. After that, we will first get dirty trolling done, completely ruin the victim, and hire an army of the country's most expensive lawyers to save that man in the court. How can we expect respect for our sisters and daughters from those who find solace in seeing such people? God is watching everything. Justice will be done. So this is Swati Maliwal taking on Sunita Kejriwal directly, because she says she's relieved, but it had happened in her house, and she is completely objecting sarcastically to this tweet by Sunita Kejriwal.
Oh, that's a very interesting long tweet which has been put out by Swati Maliwal. Pragya, I'm going to come over to you. Interesting tweets. What do we make in it of the past struggle very clearly out of the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, what this shows certainly is that women's safety has never been the issue when it comes to politics. Irrespective who the woman is, whether she is an MP, whether she is just a common woman, and if you can't just protect women, how can you, ensure, and how can you go to people and make promises that women's safety is on top of our agenda? And please vote for us. We'll come back and ensure that there are no rapes. Remember, Aam Aadmi Party, when they came into power, it was also at the cusp of Nirbhaya movement, when she was raped, killed, and they also launched a in fact, it was a very intricate and very long, elaborative movement that Aam Aadmi Party had launched. And one of the top agendas of Aam Aadmi Party to come back to Delhi was that we are standing for women's safety. And this is very ironical today, I would say. Not just any other Aam Aadmi Party worker or leader. It's Sunita Kejriwal who has tweeted this picture. Court has still maintained there is a bail with the condition that has been given to Bibhav Kumar. Court has not said that he is not an accused. There are also very strong statements that have come from the court on what Bibhav Kumar has done. There is a woman who is crying hoarse about what she went through when she was at the home of the Chief Minister. So all of that narrative will go down the drain when it comes to politics. And in fact, the only mantra for the politicians today is save each other so that we can play politics, we can be in power. And this is exactly what Kiran Rijiju, Union Minister, has said. When you say this is political vendetta, when you do not wish to see the crime against women and say this is inspired by the politics, how will you ensure that the women will get safety, security, and then their cries will be heard by people and by the people in power who have been voted into power in name of women's security? So all this is very tragic right now, and this post is going to go, not in favor of Aam Aadmi Party in the long run. There are going to be assembly elections soon, and this will be used by the BJP extensively to showcase the mentality of Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders.
Absolutely.